Easy, go. Go. Let me push and stop. Clear? Yeah, Diker. Post it. Hang on, Diker. Come out, GB. I know. I'm waiting for GB to get out of the way. Diker, pull this way. Key there, a little bit more. Stay there, right? Ready? Go. Good to go. Next. Slim, I stay there. Stay back, Slim. Go, next, get in, let's go, get in. Don't stand out there. Get in. Let's go, next, go. Diker, you're good. Raj. Who's got back haul? Back haul now. Follow tan sweater. John, let's go across. Phil, we're pushing back haul. Is he ours? That's our guy, don't shoot him. Here, Steve. You got hostiles, watch it. Phil! Phil, we're right underneath you.
Yeah, I know, my teammates just off the hit.
Aye. Yo, don't shoot up top. We have friendlies up there. Steve, what do you got?
Nothing right now.
Keep pushing. On me.
Yeah.
Do what you want. Go for it. All right, look. This guy in tan's going up top. Do not shoot him. Where you at? Right here?
How do you get through this way?
Yeah, that way or the other side.
JD, we got Alex.
Keep cover.
Right now.
You still bottom floor? All right.
Yep.
Let's finish these guys. Push them in. What do you got?
Nothing right now.
Clear to pop?
Looks like one of our guys moving up there.
Yo! No. Enemies. Shoot him. I got two.
They're
Shoot
down.
him. All right. Try to lay on next time.
That was one of our guys.
Come on, man.
Go!
Go. Cut him off. Watch your toe. Pong, watch your toe. I can't cover you. Hang on. He's down. I got him. I got a perfect spot right here. God, these mags are acting up like crazy. Someone on our 6 Kong? Phil! Send an extra guy our way in the car. Send one more to us, Phil. Phil's watching the alleyway. Nice, Phil, nice. GB, what the fuck? He just see you. We're moving up, Phil. We're gonna have to go up top. Where's Diker? Get Diker's ass over here. Clear. Phil, get Diker. You're good, Adam. You're good. I'm breaking off. Hold tight. Diker! Moving to you, Adam. Bang in first. Want to throw it? Throw it hard you can at the ground. And then move in. Yep. Clear. Grab that living room. Hide slow. Clear up. Come light. We on that wall. We on that wall. Go for it. Clear. Hide that corner. Little cubby hole on the right. Cubby on the right. You're hit.
561, 561, 561, be easy. 561. Friendly up.
Yeah, what's up?
561, friendly.
Raj.
Got this back hallway? Yep.
We cleared that last guy out.
JD, and what's 661?
We're good. Come to the TV room.
Clear up here.
Clear up.
Clear up.
Good? All right. Let's roll. I think that's game. Yeah, it's game. I'm 95% sure.
Count it in.
Grab that banger. Got it. All right. Go fast. Let's go fast. Let's go get it up. Go. Go. Good banger.
Yeah, go.
Ah. Well, watch this window.
Hit.
Going across. Ready? Hold on. Ready? Want me to go? You're gonna go.
I'm gonna cross.
Go, Adam, go. You're clear. Adam, watch that window. Top 12. Ah.
Watch the window.
Roger. Bill through here. Kong, get up. Go, Kong. Kong, to me. You sure? Go. Still up top, Adam? Still up top? Roger. Ah! Right there, right in the corner. Go. Push.
Hey, coming down. Hey, coming down. Can I walk in? Got it right in the damn thing.
Phil, you good? Phil, what's your 20? I'm on back hall. Phil, is that USC? I got Diker. What do you got, Diker?
I cleared this all out.
Roger. Kong, you still up? Roger. Right underneath you, Kong. Diker, come with me.
Hey, back wall.
Yeah. You mean front wall?
Front wall. Moving down the steps. 2 of them.
Upstairs steps, Kong. Our side?
Yeah.
Our side steps. Nice, Diker. Diker, push back toward me. Through the center hall. Yep. Diker, let's go help Phil.
Where is he?
Over here.
All right.
Phil, what do you got? Still up, Phil? Roger. We're coming to help you. Diker, where you at? Roger. Right here, Phil.
Yeah.
Where are they at?
I don't know.
By the spawn?
This corner for now.
Roger. Kong, watch our right. Me and Phil over here, left side. I'm going on your move.
That's good.
I'm clear through here. Clear through the next room. There's a door on your left. Door on the left.
What's that? Up top.
Shotgun.
Steady.
Yep.
I'm going to cut this corner, see if you can get to that window.
This window?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep.
Right here. Want to push him? Yeah, we're still good. I got that corner, Phil.
Forward, clear out, baby. Watch that corner.
All right, I'm holding the corner.
You have a crack?
Yep.
Oh,
That corner?
Yep.
Raj. Okay, ready to hit it? Ready to hit it?
Yep.
Go.
No one. You boogie down upstairs. 561! Let's clear it upstairs!
Grab that. If you can grab that bang, grab it.
They won't play in this corner, right?
Yeah, I don't think so. All right, here. Send it back here. Send it back, Phil. Send it back.
I got hold of it, Jimmy.
You want to go up that side?
Yeah.
All right, we'll go for it. Con going up left. Raj. Here's someone getting hit up there.
Yep.
Just us three. I think.
Come on out. I'm not going to. Just come on out.
Stay sharp.
JD, get low.
Come on. Come on.
Just get out. Come on.
Come on.
Get low. Take that bottom corner.
Clear.
Yep.
Moving.
Alright, put the next corner.
Moving.
Come on, watch that.
Hold on, look at this crack. This corner looks clear.
Okay. Clear the underside.
Going left, clear. Going for the table.
Underside.
Clear. Clear. About 85%. Try this corner for me so I can cross. Clear.
2, 3.
Kong, you still with us?
Looking good.
Alright.
You look good.
Yep. That's a dead end.
Yeah, this room clear.
Phil, give me that bang.
Huh?
You know what, forget it. I'm not going to reload it. I was going to reload it. Forget it.
Reload it in the field?
Yeah, I'm going to do it.
I thought you had 2.
Hold tight.
Yep.
It's going to be 30
Are we all
seconds.
that's left?
Yeah, I believe so. 561, sound off! Yeah. Rider. We're good to go. Stow it. Is that your light?
Yeah, I got back hallways okay.
We're clear. Yeah, we're clear. Keep that light, Phil.
Yep.
Keep it. All right, kill it. Kill it.
Yep. Killed. Come back down around.
Raj, we're at the corner.
Coming to you.
Is that your light?
No.
It's coming from the entrance corner.
Yeah.
Right here. All right. Ready to hit it? You got your right hand, ready? Calm. Go with Phil. I'll take 6. I got it. Are you ready? I'll bang fast it over. All right, ready?
Yep.
I don't know if it's going to bang if I have to do it that way. Let me do it on the corner.
Yeah.
Calm. On Phil for breach.
Huh?
On Phil for a breach. Ready? On you.
Coming out!
You good, Phil? Right in here. He said. You hit? You hit? All right.